to an aftermarket air filter. Is it worth it? An OEM air filter costs around 2500 for a super bike, whereas an air filter like DNA, BMC or K&N costs 8 to 10,000 rupees. Why? The main difference is the material. While OEM filters are made of paper, these are made of cotton gauze, which have a better filtration power and long lasting life. Unlike OEM filters which are use and throw, performance filters can be reused by cleaning and drying them after every 4 to 5,000 kilometers in our conditions. And if you know cleaning them at home, even better. Performance filters also increase performance and fuel efficiency as these have high airflow. When there is less oxygen in the combustion chamber, the engine will have to use up more fuel to make up for this loss. So having an air filter that allows more clean air will help improve your bike's fuel efficiency and performance. And if you pair this with a free flow exhaust and a proper tune, then nothing like it. But if you are using a race only filter, it's going to attract more dust as well because it has bigger pores. So make sure to clean your airbox and throttle bodies time to time, and tell me down in the comments if you think it's worth upgrading and what filter would you upgrade to. Till then,